this video tutorial, we will see how to print line triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this triangle pattern, in the first line there is a single star. Then in the second, third and fourth line there are 2 stars, and in the fifth line there are 5 stars. This is a hollow triangle pattern which is having just 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. Let's type code to print this type of pattern. We are going to use I variable, declare and initialize it with 0. We are going to use while here, while I less than 5. I is nothing but the required number of iterations. Here we are going to increase I value by 1 at the end of every iteration. Our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. I less than 5, condition is false, and our iteration will stop here. Now for this type of pattern we are going to use if, elif and else condition. If I value is 0, then print single star. Before that single star there are space characters 4 minus I. This is going to give us space character. These space characters are appended with single star. So let's print this in the terminal. Run pytriangle.py file. You can see we are able to print a single star. Now let's print the 2 stars, else print space character multiply by 4 minus I, that is appended with single star. Now between 2 stars there are spaces, so space character multiply by I into 2 minus 1. This is going to give us space characters number of spaces, and at the end of this space character there is a star character. So let's print this in the terminal. You can see we are able to print the star. Now let's try to print the 5th line. We are going to use elif condition. Elif if I value is 4, then print star with space 5 times. Okay, let's run this file in the terminal pytriangle.py. You can see we are able to print the line triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial we will see another type of line triangle pattern.